This video describes installing the barcode scanner on the MS-5000 ESR 5000 spectrometer. The tools that will be required are the hex wrenches and the flat blade screwdriver that came with the instrument. Start by using the flathead screwdriver and remove all 4 black screws from the top of the instrument. You'll want to save these screws for future use should you decide to go and restore the instrument back to its original state without the barcode scanner. Now unpack the barcode scanner from its shipping case. Included in the barcode scanner are 4 screws as well that will be needed to go and attach it to the instrument. These are different than the 4 black screws that you used. These are bevel head type screws that will fit into the depressions in the scanner body. Attach the scanner by making sure that the cable faces toward the front and the scanner mechanism faces toward the back. Put all 4 screws in and lightly tighten them in a cross or Z-type pattern to ensure that the barcode scanner remains flat on the instrument and is not angled or does not have any tension on one screw more than the other. As you can see, going around in a pattern helps do this. Now you can tighten the screws much more tightly, again going in a Z or a pattern type movement. Take the USB cable and unpack it, then plug it into the computer that's going to be used with the MS-5000. This concludes installation of the barcode scanner system for the MS-5000 ESR 5000 system.